Whoa, it's hot. It is hot. Oh my god, like, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another video, and as you can tell off of the title, I am going to be talking about sleep paralysis. I hope I'm saying it right because I feel like I am saying it completely wrong. But we're going to be talking about sleep paralysis as I do my makeup today, my experience with sleep paralysis and how I dealt with it and how I conquered and fought my way and came back alive. Period. Comment below if you've been through episodes of sleep paralysis and what did you do. So I'm just going to pull up what is sleep paralysis. Sleep paralysis is when, during waking up or falling asleep, a person is aware but unable to move or speak during an episode. One may hallucinate, hear, feel, or see things that are not there, which often results in fear. Whew. All right, so that's what Google has, okay? I think that's bogus because I don't be fearing anything, and my lace front is lifting. I don't be fearing anything when I'm going to sleep. I go to sleep with a peace of mind sometimes, and then I just wake up. This happened to me the other day. It was a regular day for me. I went to work, came home. It was time for bed. I took a shower, had myself a little bowl of cereal, and then I went to bed. I was watching TV, I believe, or I probably was on my phone, and all of a sudden, I close my eyes and I fall asleep. You don't know when you fall asleep most of the time. You just know you get very tired. Me, I'm usually fighting my sleep because I'm either on the phone or watching a movie. All I remember was closing my eyes, getting ready to fall asleep, and all of a sudden...
That was a good ass. Bitch. Why the f I'm not waking up? I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Ma. Bitch. Hell no. Hell no, bitch. No.
I'm stuck. And I remember it was still early. Like, it wasn't late. It wasn't a new morning or nothing like that. I was just stuck. And I was just like, what is going on? What is going on? Am I about to die? Like, my eyes was wide open. My eyes were moving and I couldn't even move. But I felt my eyeballs going around in circles. Felt my eyeballs moving like this. And I didn't know what was going on. I was so terrified. So what exactly happened? Like, I usually sleep on my arms. So I'm watching my arms in front of me, but I can't move them. So I'm just like, why? You know, like, my fear is to not wake up. This happened to me plenty of times. So I'm moving, I'm trying to wake up, and I just cannot wake up. And it's like very terrifying. So at this point, this is what I do. I start to call unto God. And I'm like, Jesus, help me. Jesus, help me. Jesus, help me, you know? Because I'm very scared. And like, I've heard that when that happens, cry unto God. Before, I didn't know to cry unto God. I used to just try to get up on my own. But now, people say when that happens to you, just cry unto God. So yeah, if you guys ever been through sleep paralysis, just comment below and tell me what you did. Because me, I was just like, I need to call Jesus himself and just, you know, I'm a high believer in Jesus Christ. So before, and every time I go to bed and I forget to pray, this always happens to me. So, and recently when it did happen, it was because I was thinking about it. And that is so weird. And I remember saying, I hope I don't get sleep paralysis. I don't know why it came across my head, but I remember saying, I hope I don't get it. And then boom, I got it. And I was just like, are you kidding me? Are you really kidding me right now? Like, I don't deserve this. And where are you coming from? Who are you? What do you want? My niece is crying. I need to go to her. She with her dad right now. I wonder what's wrong. But yeah, when that happens to me, I just call unto God. My eyes are open as I'm crying onto God, and I'm just like, come on, Delilah, you got this. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. What is going on? I see all four walls in my room, and I'm just like, wake up, wake up, wake up. You got this, girl. Wake up. Wake up. Like, you got this. Like, why is this happening? And it is something that happens for no longer than like 2-3 minutes. So don't worry, you'll conquer it. Like me, whenever I pray and I start yelling Jesus Christ's name, mind you, I'm not speaking. This is all hallucination. Like like Google said, like you'll start hallucinating. Like, are you really screaming Jesus, Jesus, Jesus? Because I know it's in my head. I know I'm screaming it, and I know that's what I want to do. But it wasn't really like, it wasn't no sounds. It wasn't nothing like that. It was just me saying it in my head. So after I'm screaming out Jesus, 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 that's when I would wake up and I would realize I was stuck. I was just stuck in a position where I couldn't move. And then all of a sudden I'm like back to life. I wonder why that happens, you know. I think it happened because one time I had a big piece of chocolate cake and it happened to me. And my friend told me, hey, it's because you're eating sweets before you go to bed. So that's why. And it made sense. And I feel like because she told me that, now I'm starting to see it. That's really the reason why. I don't know what look I'm going for today, but just want something calm because it's raining outside. I want to do like a cut crease, but I think that's just too much. So I'm just going to add a little gold in the middle. So when I woke up, I was like, do I want to go back to sleep? I was so scared. I hope it don't happen again. Like, is it going to happen again? And most of the time, it don't be happening again. Like, it just be for the moment, and then it will go away. So whenever you go through sleep paralysis, just know that it is just for the moment, and it won't happen for long. It will be over. When I googled sleep paralysis, I've gotten questions like, why is sleep paralysis so scary? I read that your muscles isn't moving pretty much, and your body is numb for the moment. I don't know why it happens. And like, I've read online, somebody asks, is sleep paralysis a demon? That's funny. It's fear and you can't wake up. Someone wrote, can you die from sleep paralysis? That one was funny too. No, you cannot die from sleep paralysis. It's just something that's happening at the moment, and it'll be over soon. I don't know if you guys have Jay Versace on Instagram. Like, he did a skit with sleep paralysis, and it was so funny. Like, he had me weak because I literally go through the same thing. Like, it's like you're fighting a demon. It's like you're fighting your body. You're trying to wake up and you don't know what to do. Literally trying to wake up and don't know what to do. And you're gonna think it's a demon. You're gonna think somebody in front of you. You're like, but there's really nothing in front of you. There's really no one in front of you. There's no bad angel or nothing like that. I don't know. Maybe some people could think different. You think different with it? Just comment below. I wouldn't wish that on anyone.
Jesus. What the going on, bro? Oh my God. I know I ain't prayed before I went to sleep, but I ain't expect this shit to happen. What?
Sometimes I be thinking like, maybe I did.
Oh, hell no. You better keep your big ugly ass over there, bitch. I'm in sleep paralysis, but bitch,
Felt like I was
I can
fighting
come
a
out this shit
demon,
and
but I
whoop your
really didn't.
ass.
It was just
Get your big ass over there.
fear, I guess. And there isn't no right
Got me
answer, I
fucked
feel
up.
like. I think I used to get sleep paralysis when I was younger and I didn't know about it. But as I got older, I just know more. So I'm more aware of what's going on and I remember things easier. But why does it happen? Why does it have to happen? Like, I haven't got it in a few weeks and I hope I don't get it tonight because I'm talking about it, you know? It's like talking into existence and I really don't want it. I'm just doing this video because I know I ain't the only one that get this thing. I can't be the only one out here. So the main things to do when you do get sleep paralysis is to just scream out help as much as you can. Scream out to God, call his name, and yell Jesus Christ's name, and everything will be okay. You will wake up. It's something temporary. And yeah, you'll be all right. It gets me every time though. One time I went on a rant on Instagram, like, I cannot believe I just had sleep paralysis. I feel like I'm too old for that, number one. Like, why am I still getting sleep paralysis? Does anyone else get it? Like, my ex, he was like, that's what you get. You deserve that. I'm like, I deserve that. I didn't do nothing to deserve that, okay? I just live a regular, peaceful life. And things are happening to me. And I'm just like, what is going on? But yeah, guys, that's the end of my video. I'ma just quickly put on my eyes and everything. I have been recording for way too long. That means I have a lot of editing to do. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just, you know, watch the end results. So guys, this is the finishing look. This is my go-to makeup, my everyday makeup. It could be on any day. Now, thank you for watching this video. And I hope that you can conquer your sleep paralysis situation that you got going on because it is very hard. And I'm glad I kind of know how to conquer it. I still go through it. So yeah, it's something that we all go through. Don't think that you're alone. And I just want to tell you thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Hit that bell button because my next video is going to be about how I got bullied in junior high school badly. I got bullied and beat up like almost every day. I grew up in Brooklyn, New York. And you guys, I'm not even going to say too much. Just stay tuned and I promise you, you will like the next video. I don't even think it's going to be a makeup video because those are very hard for me to do. But you guys, thank you for rocking out with me and stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and all that stuff. I'll link my Instagram down here. And yeah, so I will keep these videos going. Woo, it's hot. It is hot. Oh my God.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.